Okay, you can see now that the download has finished. So we're going to go ahead and click on the downloaded file. This is going to run us through the installation. So that will redirect us and we'll have to say yes here. And that's going to open up the installation preparation. We're just going to follow the prompts. Next, unpack. And just follow the prompts again. This information is not specifically relevant, but it's a nice touch to put something in there. You obviously put your own name. You can use Group Venture Co. or you can use another organization name. Just following the prompts here. Check that this one is checked. Create a start link on the desktop. Then click on install. Okay, great. We're just going to click on finish. Usually you will have to restart your computer to complete the program, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you here. We now have an OpenOffice folder shortcut on our desktop. It looks like this. Okay, great. So if you go ahead and restart your computer, you'll be ready to use OpenOffice. Thank you.